Hello all, Big Fungus here. Today I'll show you a magic trick that I learned off of the internet. As you can see, we have a normal deck of cards with ducks on it. First, to pull off this trick, we ask the audience member to take a card at random. However, I am alone, so I will choose that card. The audience member has to look at their card. However, I'm alone, so I will go ahead and look at it. As you can see, it is the ace of hearts. For the next step, we ask the audience member to say stop whenever they want us to stop cutting the deck. Oops. If I fumble around, that's just because I have a phone in my shirt to record because I do not have a tripod and it's making me very nauseous, so please be patient. We take the audience's ace of hearts and place it on top of this part of the deck. We take the other half and place it on top of the rest of the deck. We then look at the deck for any oddities. And notice that there is a red card in a blue deck. I would say that's pretty odd, wouldn't you? We put this part of the deck off to the side as we no longer need it. And then we check out this red card. Look at the card to see that it is our card, our ace of hearts. Now, this is very important as we take this red card and I place it over there. I will try to leave it in view if possible to make sure, so you can make sure that I do not touch the card. So, we get the other half of the deck and this half of the deck, and we combine them again. For the next step, we ask the audience member to say stop after we cut the deck. However, I'm alone, so I will do it on my own accord again. I would say that's a pretty good place to stop. So, we get our cards, we put them at the back of the deck, and get the first card from the top. Looking through a phone is kind of difficult. And we let the audience member view their card. However, I am alone, so I will look at it with you. As we can see, it is a pretty nice card. It is the ace of spades, 2 aces in a row, which is pretty cool, actually. Once the audience member has looked at their card, we allow them to put it anywhere back in the deck. If you want, you can shuffle. I'll shuffle, because why not? Not very good at shuffling, so please be patient. There we go. Close enough. And then we look for any oddities in the deck, like, say, a red card. If you are as observant as I was, you will notice that there was no red card in that deck. I must mention I forgot to do the magic snap, so I will do that. Now we shall look at the deck again. As you noticed, there is still no red card, except for one. There is only red card that we know of, which is this one. So, we let the audience member pick up the red card and view it, as they notice that it is their ace of spades. I think this is a pretty cool trick, as we did not mess with or tamper with this card, even though we placed the red card, which was an ace of hearts, down, and even after we didn't mess with it, it changed to an ace of spades.